Hello guys, this is Eleftheria Barbagianni from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a request of how to join the creators rewards programs on Pinterest. And I will show you a couple of tips and what's obviously the criteria to join and other things I know from the app. It's good though to download your phone in the app first to check if you are eligible, because it's easier from the app sometimes. And don't forget that you are going usually to receive a notification that you are eligible to apply, or you can use it to create content and post pins and get money. Now there is a lot of things you could do with that, because I have a lot of challenges inside the app. But before you get started, first of all, you need to have, as I say, the Pinterest app on your mobile phone. You need to be 18 years old and over. You need to be a resident in the United States. And I think there are particular states, whole United States, but check, because they have a particular number of like 50 states are eligible. And don't forget that this program is changing, so in the future it might change. It will be eligible for if you are in France, for example, or any other country. So it's good if you actually register for the newsletter and receive any notification straight away. As you can see, you need to have at least 250 followers, and you might have at least 3 idea pins the last 30 days, like within a month. Then you need to have 150 saves for a month, and also create original content. So there are other criteria. This is the most important ones. And then you have to obviously check with the app if you're eligible, and then download it. And obviously the program is to link your bank account, etc. Any other problems you might have, as I say at the beginning, that there are a couple of states in the United States that you need to prove, like with your ID and driver license or passport, and again here documents that you need to prove. So it is a process, and when you actually sign up for the program, then you can see all the challenges. If, for example, the program now is closed, again, just sign up for the news when it's going to be available again. And also remember to read the content requirements here, which is very important, like to have original content, not violating the community guidelines. Make sure your pins are getting a lot of engagement. Within the app, I have checked, I don't really use the app on the phone, but I have checked that they give you challenges, like for example, you might have to post 2 pins the next week or within a day, and you get like $45, so you get $400. So it depends on the challenge. They also have different type of challenges on getting many saves. So you really need to read the creators guideline to learn how to get a lot of money. It is actually a program to help us make extra money, and also competing with other platforms, if you know what I mean. And it's good because it might be eligible in more countries, and again you need to be ready to participate. Again, as I say, if you're not eligible for this, make sure you read articles in relation to creating content, to get more money, because there are challenges within this program. And also there is a creator funds program that you can have a look through. If any of the program is not open now, just register and receive all the information. It's just an extra thing to get money, actually. It's simple. So somebody asked me to do this video and I'm happy. Please don't forget to connect with me on the social media, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and any questions you have, feel free to contact me. I will put this link below so you can have a look through. Take care.